Hi everyone. One of the key reasons I teach people how to invest is depicted by this chart. What you can see are the share prices of Microsoft, the S&P 500, Apple, Amazon, and the UK FTSE 100. I'm British, and you can see in this chart, and that's just year to date. Let's go back 1 year. You can see in this chart why I want British people to own global equities. Britons have always thought global. I'm of Indian origin. I know Britain thinks globally. My ancestors will tell you so. But I want British people to own foreign companies, particularly American ones, because just look at this chart. Maybe not 1 year. That's the FTSE in green. If you're British and you just invested in British companies, which is what most British people do, you'd be down 18%. But if you had a smattering of American companies, maybe an Apple, after all, its name is well known, you'd be up over, well, about 90%. You'd be up 60% off the back of Microsoft, okay? That's not unpatriotic. It's actually one of the most patriotic things you can do. You'll have people in Amazon and Microsoft and Apple working for you, working hard to deliver dividends, and you'll bring those earnings back to the United Kingdom and go spend them on the high street. But maybe 1 year is a blip. Well, that's the 2-year return in British companies, and your fund managers, your pension fund managers are selling you UK growth funds. Well, they're down 14% over 2 years, whereas I'm up 100%, double my money in 2 years, better than property. Well, maybe that's a blip, Alpesh. Let's look back over 3 years. Well, my British friends, you're still down 7%, and I am up, well, there I'm up, what, 200% over 3 years. Let's go back 5 years. You must be just picking random periods, Alpesh. Well, over 5 years, I am up 600%, and you've basically got your money back over 5 years. Guess what? Most fund managers want you to hold for a 5-year period. Of course they do, because when they return you their money, your money, they'll be able to say, well, at least you didn't lose any. What you will miss is the opportunity cost of being in these returns, 600%, 400%. And here I've picked names you recognize. Wait till we pick names which are still big and you haven't recognized. The most patriotic thing a British person can do is own global. There's a reason the British had an empire. They knew it made sense to own things abroad and bring that wealth back to the United Kingdom. I am not advocating a return to empire. What I am saying is, as a British person, own global equities. It will make you wealthier, and stop making just purely your American cousins wealthy as they sit back and own their domestic stocks of Microsoft and get rich. After 5 years, their wealth has increased sixfold. Yours hasn't at all. What the hell, guys? Own global, think global. The most patriotic thing a British person can do.